to explain very important part, and this is rather new part of this chapter. Now today we will see the classification of hydrocarbons or organic compound. So organic compounds basically have been classified in different manner, but here I am going to explain about the basic classification. Basic classification. So in this, organic compounds or hydrocarbons, they are of two types. First is saturated hydrocarbons or saturated compounds. Second is unsaturated compounds. So question is, what is saturated compound? So hydrocarbon or organic compound is said to be saturated when there is only single bonds between the carbon atoms. So an organic compound is said to be saturated when there is only single bond or bonds between the carbon atoms. So there is only single bond between the carbon atoms. Now example, all the alkanes or similar compounds, or the basic compounds which have been obtained from the alkanes, like ethanol. Ethanol means spirit. Alcohol. So alkanes. Now alkane is a family. Alkane is a family of hydrocarbons. Alkane, what is alkane? It is a family of hydrocarbons. It is a family of hydrocarbons, and the simplest alkane is methane. Methane is the simplest. So methane formula is CH4. Then ethane C2H6. Propane C3H8. Butane C4H10. This all you have to keep in mind. You know the Lewis structure? So if you draw the Lewis structure of this I'm writing the Lewis structure. So here this carbon has 4 hydrogen, and so there is only one carbon, so it is always saturated. Now coming to this ethane, here it has 2 carbons, so carbon and carbon, they have to be joined by a single bond, and here the hydrogen. In case of organic compounds, the remaining valencies, if it is single, then it is joined by hydrogen. Once again I am repeating, in case of organic compounds, if there is single valency which is associated with the carbon, then it is satisfied by hydrogen, or the atoms having same valency, that is 1 valency. Here it can be, in other case, if it is Cc, so there can be Cl also, but the point is that there should be only monovalent atom. So this is about the ethane. Now coming to next, propane. So in propane, here there are 3 carbon atoms. So here, and this is the way how we write down the formula. These structures are called as structural formula. What we call as a structural formula. A formula which indicates the structure is called a structural formula. So we write. In Lewis, what we do in Lewis? In Lewis we mark the electrons. Is that clear? In Lewis we mark the electrons present. One bond is made up of 2 electrons. One single bond is made up of 2 electrons. Next, propane C3H8. Now coming to butane. Butane, it has 4 carbon. So just in the chain 4 carbon atoms, 10 hydrogen. So here just bonds has to be drawn. 1H, 4. On this side there is 4. There is H, there is H. So 4 and 4, 8, 9 and 10. So this is the formula of butane. So what we call, this is the structural formula of butane. What we call the structural formula of butane. How we write down the Lewis structure? How write down Lewis structure? So Lewis structure is nothing but this one bond is made up of 2 electrons. So just remove the bond and make the electrons dots. One bond is made up of 2 electron dots. So what we call, this is the Lewis dot structure or electron dot structure of what? Of butane. So this is very important point. I am going to explain next very important part, unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated hydrocarbons or unsaturated compounds. So what is the meaning of unsaturated? Means they are not saturated. Then what is the exact definition? So unsaturated compounds are those compounds in which there is the presence of double and or triple bonds along with single bond or alone. So an organic compound is said to be unsaturated when it has either double or triple bond alone. This is the one condition. There can be either double or triple bond alone or along with single bonds. So these are the very important points. Examples, just you have seen in case of saturated, so it was alkane and similar compounds. So here there is another group of compounds, alkenes, alkynes and arenes. These are new group of compounds, alkenes, alkynes and arenes. Alkenes have double bond or single and double depending on the carbon atom. Alkynes have triple bond or single and triple. Arenes have single and double. So this is the basic way how we write the classification of saturated and unsaturated compounds. We will see in detail just now. See about the alkenes. So as name indicates, alkenes, so they have double bond. Have double and or single bond. They have double and or single bond. It means double and single when present, it is one condition. Second is only double bond. Now see some examples. So as methane was simplest alkane, so here the simplest alkene is ethene. Ethene, it has the formula C2H4, ethene. Then propene, propene C3H6, C3H6. Now, how we can write the structural formula? How a structure can be drawn? How we come to know that there is double bond? So for this, one carbon and there is one carbon. So two carbon are consumed. Here we have four hydrogen. So here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. So you know hydrogen can be joined by single bond. Carbon has four bonds maximum. So what will happen? We have to draw here double bond. Count the bonds. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These two bonds, they are shared. These two bonds are shared between the adjacent carbon atoms. And so here the octet is completed. Here octet is completed. What about Lewis structure? For this Lewis structure. So here two bonds means four dots. And here one H. So one bond means two electrons. Here there is one bond and here there is one. So this is the Lewis structure of this ethene. Similarly, propene. Again propene, one carbon, two carbon and three carbon. But here see condition, double and or single bond. So here we have to take the 6 hydrogen. So let it be one hydrogen, this is second hydrogen, this is third hydrogen, this is 4 hydrogen, this is 5 hydrogen, this is 6 hydrogen. So there is the 6 hydrogen and here we join this. Explain about the alkynes and arenes. So alkynes, they have triple and single or only triple bond. So it is in only one case. So here the simplest alkyne is ethyne. Simplest alkyne is ethyne and it is C2H2. Then propyne C3H4. This is ethyne C2H2, propyne C3H4. Now, how we write down the their Lewis dot structure? So simply C and C, and so there is first see the structure. So there is the triple bond. There is the triple bond between the carbon. Because valency has to be satisfied. And what about Lewis dot? So just put here H, two dots, here one carbon, and so there will be no 3 means 6 electrons, and so here again this. So this is about the ethyne. About this C3H4, so C 3 carbon, put any triple bond, 4 hydrogen. So here the valency is 3 between these two. So here only one carbon. Here this carbon will not have any electron because 3 plus 1 4 6. And here this. So this is the structural formula for propyne. This is structural formula for this ethyne. So here there will not be propyne. Is that clear? And so again you can draw here the Lewis dot structure. So here HH, here there will be HH, and here there will be double bond, 2 electrons. Here there will be 3, and here there will be 3 bonds, 6 electrons, single bond H. So this is about the alkynes. Now coming to last, there is the arenes. Arenes are the hydrocarbons having double and single both. There are many diverse classes. So example, benzene. Benzene, it has C6H6 as the formula, and it has the ring structure. This band indicates the CH2. So this is the benzene, or we may write down CH2, 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 then CH2, then CH2, and CH2. And here drop like this. So this is the benzene.